Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're in Las Vegas on the southernish end of the Las Vegas Strip to check out the Coca-Cola Store. The Coca-Cola Store is pretty much right next door to the M&M store, and both of them are pretty much across the street from the Hershey store. And if you feel these three companies haven't done enough damage to your teeth and health, well, now you can see what kind of damage they can do to your wallet by buying souvenirs in these shops. I have to admit the huge green glass Coke bottle on the Las Vegas Strip looks pretty cool both day and nighttime. Inside the green Coke bottle is the elevator that brings you to the different levels of this shop. Once we step inside, you can sample 16 of Coca-Cola's international offerings, many not available here in the States. You can snap a selfie with the famous polar bear, browse a variety of Coke bottles and cans, and shop for every possible Coke branded souvenir there is. But no point in just telling you about it. Let's step inside and check this place out. The Coca-Cola Store's website says, "Welcome to Coca-Cola Store Las Vegas. Make Coca-Cola Store part of your Las Vegas adventure. Experience the world's most iconic beverage brand in an immersive retail destination including exclusive Coca-Cola branded merchandise, unique and entertaining experiences, and a true refreshment that inspires the senses." Nothing sets the mood like Coca-Cola underwear, except perhaps maybe M&M underwear. And if you are in the mood, well then check out the M&M and the Hershey store videos here on the New York channel.
This is Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
And a shout out to Jarvis Landry 14, who found Goofy in my Epcot Mexican Pavilion video, which was released just a few days ago. Good eye, Jarvis Landry 14. As you can see, there's just walls and walls of beverage bottles and glasses here at the Coca-Cola Store. Now, these big plastic bottles are great for catching loose change when you get home from work, but I fly to Vegas, and who on earth can get these things on an airplane? I don't know. But I do know a lot of Californians drive into town, so maybe they can shove it in the trunk of their car. I'm not sure. I just don't know how well these sell here. Years ago, on one of my visits to Mexico, I purchased a Come Caca t-shirt, and I think my Spanish-speaking visitors will appreciate that. You'd be hard-pressed to find any Come Caca merchandise here at the Las Vegas Coca-Cola Store. Lots of Christmas ornaments. You can do a whole Coca-Cola tree. And I think that would look kind of nice with red and white twinkle lights. And to finish off the decorating, we have a couple of Coca-Cola Santa Clauses. I'm a sucker and collect baseball caps from a lot of hotels and casinos that I've been through around the country. But not so much Coca-Cola, M&M, and Hershey, however. What about you guys? Do any of you collect major corporation merchandise like Coca-Cola or M&M or Hershey? I know Hess Trucks used to be big years ago. I think it still is, as a matter of fact. Any of you guys collect that kind of stuff? Leave a comment below. Harley Davidson, that's another one. Yeah, I tend to collect more things from places that I visited, not so much things that I buy. When launched in the late 1800s, Coca-Cola's two key ingredients were cocaine and caffeine. The cocaine was derived from the coca leaf and the caffeine from a cola nut, and when you put those two words together, you end up with Coca-Cola. These days, Coca-Cola uses a cocaine-free coca leaf extract, and it's prepared by a company called Stepan Company. They have a plant in Maywood, New Jersey, and it's the only manufacturing plant authorized by the federal government to import and process coca leaves, which it obtains from Peru and Bolivia. The Stepan Company extracts cocaine from the cocoa leaves and then sells it to Mallinckrodt the only company in the United States licensed to purify cocaine for medicinal use. Lots and lots of magnets and other Coca-Cola tchotchkes. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. So while downstairs seem to be more softwares, t-shirts, hats, things like that, upstairs seems to be a lot more housewares. Here we have some throw pillows and towels, some old tin Coca-Cola signs, some barware, some Coca-Cola tin straw holders. This looks like it's $9.95, I think. That's a pretty reasonable price. I really like this one. This looks like the real deal. It's glass and chrome top, and this one is $30. Yep, 30. Lots more kitchenware. A cookbook with Coca-Cola as the key ingredient in all the recipes. Glasses and mugs. These little Coca-Cola bottles are actually salt and pepper shakers. That's kind of unique. There's a sign on this table that says, "You shop, we deliver," and that's pretty much true for any shopping here in Las Vegas or Orlando, wherever you might be visiting. Just ask the shop people or the manager to ship it to your home, and for a small fee they'll be happy to do that. No worries for you at the airport. Some more Christmas items and pot holders, and I really like that Coca-Cola delivery truck cookie jar. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. And here we have some more Christmas ornaments. There's a Coca-Cola fountain up here, and the website says, "Take a break from exploring the exciting Las Vegas Strip and stop by for a refreshing visit to our Coca-Cola fountain on level 2. Enjoy delicious Coke floats and sample 16 different international beverages with the Taste of the World beverage tray." That 16 different flavored international beverage tray is actually pretty cool. It's like shot glasses of 16 different flavors not available in the US. Some of them are pretty good, some of them are downright scary, but again, it's just like a shot glass of each one, and it's pretty interesting. Lots more Coca-Cola magnets. They do have some software up here, but it's mostly stuff that's on clearance. Looks like some Coke stationery, some buttons and stickers, and some more, looks like jigsaw puzzles and more Christmas ornaments. All stuff on clearance right now. Some Coca-Cola phone accessories. I may have misspoke when I was downstairs saying that I don't really buy, souvenirs of corporate branded stuff. Usually I buy souvenirs of places that I visited. One exception would be Volkswagen. I always loved Volkswagens. I do buy Volkswagen stuff like t-shirts and caps and little models, and I've driven Volkswagens pretty much most of my life in one form or another. This Volkswagen bus and Volkswagen Beetle, both carrying or towing a trailer, really caught my attention. I did buy them. I had them shipped home. I'm staring at them right now while I'm editing this video. So what'd you think of the Las Vegas Coca-Cola store? And catch those videos, the M&M store here on the Las Vegas Strip, as well as the Hershey store, located across the street at the New York Hotel and Casino. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment below.
If you put a buck in my cup, I am going to shut the up. And you ain't gotta be a baller to give me a dollar.
So I'll be in Las Vegas next week at this time, and there's two things I've got to do, and that's find Buck in the Cup guy as well as Scooter Elvis. On top of that, I've got lots of ideas for unique videos coming up shortly from Las Vegas, so stay tuned.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.